Welcome back to another Camp Nou construction update. Today, we're taking a look at the latest progress across FC Barcelona's iconic stadium. Renovation is moving forward steadily, and it's been officially announced that full completion is expected in 2027. Fans are seeing exciting changes step by step as the stadium slowly takes shape. Although the stadium has partially reopened and matches are already being played, key elements such as the new roof, third tier, and VIP areas are still under construction and require additional time. Capacity is gradually increasing, with plans to reach around 62,000 spectators, pending final licensing and safety approvals. Now let's move on to the latest construction progress across the stadium. Moving along the lateral section, abundant slats remain prepared with one sector still requiring completion. Workers on the first cantilever appear to be performing surface preparation work. White tubes are positioned throughout this zone for future installation phases. In the Tribuna Section, several chrome tubes are prepared for installation throughout the stadium. Workers continue their efforts on the future elevator structures, with sandwich panel installation anticipated soon. Higher up, workers have returned to the scaffolding areas after several days. One diagonal beam appears to have been treated, showing a grayish finish. The Gol Norte section remains relatively quiet today. The wall painting continues with the left section awaiting completion. No rock wool insulation has been installed above the glazing yet. Both stairwell structures appear well prepared for sandwich panel installation, with workers active in the upper areas. The Gol Sur Area shows significant activity today. An elevated platform maneuvers between the brackets while workers operate from scaffolding around the tower crane. The corner section now displays all glass panels on the first cantilever, creating a complete glazed appearance. Platform workers continue their tasks throughout this zone. This corner is remarkably close to completion. The left sector is 100% finished with slats, while the right sector needs only 9 more slats in the upper right corner. Some viewers have asked about the visible gaps between the lamellas. These spaces are intentional and part of the architectural design, allowing controlled airflow and proper ventilation through the facade system. At the lateral section, the first sandwich panel is now installed atop the concrete panels beside the future elevator doors. Multiple sandwich panels are staged nearby, ready for installation on the stairwell and elevator structures. The chrome gray finish looks impressive. Several elevated platforms are positioned along the beams with workers performing various tasks at height. From a distance, the 4 installed radial beams create an impressive sight. When this compression ring circles the entire stadium with its massive beams and tension rods, it will be truly spectacular. At this corner section, workers are engaged in various tasks, including cable work and concrete breaking with hydraulic hammers. Importantly, new bracket supports have been installed at both lower and upper levels. These hadn't been placed for quite some time, indicating preparation for upcoming slat installation. Our final stop shows excellent progress with bracket union installation on the black beams. Numerous unions are now installed on the center and right beams. Slats are staged and ready nearby. The 3-level tube configuration is now complete, with the bottom level newly added this week. That wraps up today's Camp Nou construction update. The stadium continues to take shape with steady progress across all sections, and we'll keep bringing you the latest developments daily. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our daily progress updates.